Hi, I'm Dr. Marnie Sturm, and I'm here to talk to you about geospatial analysis dual enrollment at South Lakes High School. So, South Lakes High School is in partnership for teaching this geospatial analysis dual enrollment class with both JMU, James Madison University, which offers dual enrollment credit, a college credit for one class, and it is transferable to other universities as well, and Esri, which is a GIS company that provides our software that we will work in throughout the year, learning GIS skills, geographic information systems. Let's talk a little bit more about what that means. So, the details of this class. Geospatial analysis can be used as an elective or as a fourth year science credit. It is for seniors only. It has an optional dual enrollment. Again, earn 3 transferable credits from James Madison University. If you actually attend James Madison University, the grade that you earn in this class will transfer with you to James Madison. It is an equivalent of Geography 161, Intro to Geographic Information Systems class. There is a 1-point GPA boost for all students who take the class, whether they elect to be in dual enrollment or not. It is generally project-based, and for your semester midterm, for your final project, and other projects in the class, you can choose your topic for several projects. We will be covering crime, climate change. You could choose elections, travel planning. I mean, the list is endless, and I'll show you some examples in this video. There's minimal homework. Work is generally completed during class, 80 to 90%. So that's a plus as well. So what is GIS? GIS involves geographic information systems. It involves applications on your phone. We will be mapping using our phones. Some items on campus, outside. There are many careers in GIS. It covers all kinds of areas. Lots of fields use GIS these days, from marketing to nonprofits, aid organizations, environmental organizations. The list is endless. Satellites, remote sensing. How do we get images of the Earth? How do we get data about the Earth's surface from satellites, from drones, from aerial flyovers? The software, we'll be using ArcGIS, and ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Pro is an Esri product. Data layers as we make maps, analysis of data, and in order to, of course, make maps with lots of data in them so we can start to solve difficult problems. So here's an example of something you can do in GIS. Areas of Fairfax County that are outside of a 10-minute drive to a public library. You could do a similar analysis with food deserts in Washington, D.C., or other rural areas in the country. Who does not have access to a library? Who does not have access to a grocery store? You can also calculate the most efficient delivery route. If you have a business and you want to deliver things, the software will calculate that most efficient way to get to where you're going. You can visualize who might see a new cell tower from their property. That's another data analysis tool we can work with in this class. You can visualize tornado damage. For example, in Tennessee or Kentucky, this one is Tennessee. You can see before and after pictures of tornado damage using satellite data. You can also look at hurricanes. If before and after a storm, you can track the path of a hurricane and also see damage before and after a hurricane hits. You can predict the effects of Mauna Loa in Hawaii erupting, and who would be affected and what roads might be closed off. You can map buildings in 3 dimensions, and we will do some 3-dimensional work in this class. You can predict the effects of a chemical spill or an oil spill. So the list is really endless on what the possibilities are in this class, and you will have a lot of free range to explore once you learn the software in the first sort of part of half of the year. So another part of the software is what we call dashboards or story maps. The coronavirus dashboard from Johns Hopkins is an Esri product. So you would learn the skills to create a dashboard like that with live updating maps and all kinds of data and information to keep people informed of whatever project you're working on. Thank you so much. Please consider, if you are a junior this year, you want to get a jump on a great possible career, really bolster your resume. We would love to have you in geospatial analysis. If you have any questions, you can email me at mesturm@fcps.edu, or you can stop by my room in 607 at South Lakes High School. Thank you so much.